I'm going to talk a little bit about what the Lucky Apes trading floor is and what it isn't. What it isn't is just a signals group. What it is a community focused on developing individually as a trader, developing technical ideas, the fundamentals like risk management. And so you'll see that when you go into the members group and you see everyone sharing their ideas, and oftentimes you'll see full threads and breakdowns. You'll sometimes see, years of back testing on a certain idea. And that's the kind of environment I'm trying to cultivate, because what I don't want is just a chat room full of people asking when to long, when to short. Yes, there's new members who join, they have a lot of questions, maybe they have no experience trading, and that might be how it starts. But here someone saying, okay, people here are so friendly, love this. You have experienced traders, some trading with multi six figure or even seven figure positions, sharing all their ideas, giving their personal opinion and feedback. And I think I've cultivated a really healthy way that people tend to interact with each other. And so, like when I share my updates, well, all my updates are built around technical ideas. You'll never just see a signal that says, just for no reason, long here, TP here, stop loss here. I'll share the technical chart for my idea, and then I might do an update when the idea comes and saying I took a short here based off of the idea maybe I shared yesterday, or that maybe I've been talking about for the last week. And there's always a technical explanation, sometimes a short video, sometimes a chart with just a quick description. But when you start working through the members channels, you'll see the same thing. People sharing their ideas with explanations. There's no, like, for example, if I see a setup I really like, maybe I say, ooh, I really like this idea, which this does look like a really interesting idea. I don't need a signal. I could just say, okay, I understand this chart. I'm going to go chart this out and take a look at this. I hadn't noticed this on dot. Or, somebody, and somebody might add their own confluences. Oftentimes you'll see in chat somebody share an idea and then another member say, hey, did you see this, and this is also a confluence at that level. And the community is kind of building an idea there together. So, what I would say is this isn't a place to come and just, look for signals in a signals group. It's a place to develop yourself as a trader and have interesting conversations about trading, psychology, different technical concepts, and to contribute to a community when you're an experienced trader. The ultimate goal is to have the majority of people in here experienced, profitable traders, just contributing and sharing ideas with each other, and that's where a lot of the alpha is going to come from. Because yes, you have to take baby steps. You can't start as an experienced trader that can contribute to a community, but it's a great environment as a new member to come into a community where there's just tons of great ideas shared and explained and people helping each other. And it's a great environment for an experienced trader who's just getting really well defined and thought out ideas posted and shared, because you can't chart everything. And so when I talk about becoming an independent trader, that doesn't mean that you can't look at somebody else's idea and trade it. It just means you should understand it. I could look at this and say, okay, well, we have this ascending channel, we have this horizontal level, clearly a 382. Maybe I'll go chart this and look at this because this interests me as a potential short idea. So, anyways, yeah, I just want to put an emphasis that it's on education. Or I want to say the emphasis is on education. There's lots of educational content. All of the updates I give are based around that educational content. And then I'm trying to cultivate an environment, which I think has clearly been done, where people are focused on developing as independent traders, sharing their ideas, having conversations, getting feedback. So, it's all about creating a vibrant community where people are all aimed towards the same goal.